My dear younger generation, good morning. We are talking about effective personality. Yesterday, I was talking to you about the cause of worry. I was telling there are two chances. One is a short term worry that is self invited. For small things, we are going on worrying. For example, you are sending your brother or sister to a shop. She or he takes 20 minutes, 30 minutes more to come back. So you start worrying. This is short term worry. This becomes a habit normally. For small things, we start worrying. Fine. It is not going to stop your thinking process or anything. But there are certain worries that may be in our mind for long duration. For example, knowingly or unknowingly, I do a mistake. We could call it a blunder or something like that. And the damaged party is going to take against me. So that will disturb my mind for a long duration. This worry will stop my progress or positive thinking, even though we go on trying to think lot of things. Why this worry is happening is because the particular fear is not getting diverted from our mind in spite of our so many things. This happens because in a profession or in employment, in our career development, it happens generally. Our boss may be telling something, some other people may be telling there are financial strains, and so many things happen. These are all long durations. Now, in my opinion, it has to be stopped immediately, either by solving the problem or trying to postpone the fear for the time being. You cannot postpone the problem. It may come, it may not come. But you have to be careful in postponing or removing that fear from your mind so that your stress, fear complexion is getting reduced. This is very much required for effective personality on daily basis. So what I say is that immediately your age may be whatever may be your age, you may be 30, 25, whatever it be, you should have an extracurricular activity that should divert your mind daily. If you talk to an elderly man, he will say you go do yoga, some may tell you may do meditation, all are good things. But according to your age, your religion, or your custom, or your taste, you should have some extracurricular activity so that you have the habit of breaking the chain mind from the profession to some other activity, then next day it is again going to profession. This habit you should have now. You should start now by playing, by doing something, so that in future it is going to help you. Okay, fine. I am talking one day, one small topic, so that you start thinking on this line. Again, we will discuss about the same worry matter with my one more suggestion. Then we will proceed in your personality areas. Time. Thank you. See you again. Nice for hearing me. Thank you for hearing me.